600.
For so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Godly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Godly way.
Alpha, Omega. You are Yahweh.
Close to your love again.
Hi guys, so it's almost midnight. I'm from doing like my night routine, freshening up, need to like makeup, you know, and I feel so good. I had an order and I was making in the morning, and then I went to Rima Fest with my friend and went and bought fragrance.
I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet.
I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I'm so obsessed with this fragrance. Like, each time I'm restocking fragrance, like, this one never misses. Sikosangi he berries. Because, like, when I tried it, like, I just fell in love with it. It serves me good. Like, it's projection, longevity, like, the notes, how it smells. It's just so amazing. Nona. That's how good it is. Like, performance yake iko poa sana. So this is like my third bottle. Yeah.
It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad. Yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question, 'cause I got you. Ooh.
Wangi tumekimbia how many kilometers?
15.
Wanga. 4 kilometers.
15.
Done. Okay, 15.
Yep. 15.
The sun is sunny.
Umerelax sana, umepumzika sana.
Mimi?
Yep.
Usichome mbele ya watu. Done.
You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but unto you. Till my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see I? And now I'm better and better. No longer what I used to be better. It's making me
I'm ready to go to church. Let me show you what I'm wearing. Anyway, so I'm going to church, and then after church niko na deliveries I need to make, and then after the deliveries I'm gonna go like on a solo date. So lately, like, I've been on a journey where I'm reconnecting with myself and falling in love with myself, cause that's all I can say. But it's a beautiful day and I feel so good and calm and composed. God has really been showing up for me, you know, and now I'm showing up for myself as well. Yeah, so bye.
If your glory wants to come in, let it fall. We want it all. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it ablaze. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner.
So we artists for fun too, like a hobby.
I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah, Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah, Lord, here's my life. It's gonna burn for me to say this. Let it burn.
Guys, I can feel like screaming. Tell me why ndo nimerudi home sahi. By the way, jana simliona like nili plant flowers. Imagine they're not there anymore. Kuku zetu zimekula kuku zimekula zote. Like, who does that? Like, imebaki mchanga tupu. Oh my god. Na nimepata wameniwekea sasa like the vases zangu hapo hivyo kando. Do you know, like, it costed money to buy those plants? I did like the dirty work. Nikachukua kijiko, jembe, nikachimba, nikashika mchanga, nikaplant, nikamwagilia maji, and then mnakula. I feel so bad, but ni sawa tu. I'm just gonna plant shop again and panda tena. But kuku zetu, guys, I'm selling chicken. Wenye mnataka kuuza kienyeji nauza. I can't live like this. What do you mean? Ara zingeacha ziishe wiki. Ingeacha ishe wiki. Like, it's okay. But I feel so good, honestly. Yeah. Good night.
Baptized in Christ, He saved my life. He sacrificed His own for mine. So I'm diligent and obedient, or at least I try. I wish I had a dime for the times I've been criticized. They love to hate, I don't care what they say. Laugh while I listen, staying in my lane with the Lord. I'm in the spirit. Never mind, I'm thinking twice, I'm on a rise, yeah. While everybody else getting up to no good.
We're going to hit the pool, and that's on period. Water therapy, and this is my...
I'll be praising you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. I'll be serving you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. I'm a praise light. Yeah, I'm a serve light. Don't you know I'm a homebody? Don't leave my home for nobody. Bible studies over parties, any day, anyway. Wishing love and light to friends of mine who have faded away. Hoping they find happiness, hope they find their way, yeah. To life, to Christ, rely on the Most High. Yeah, it's nothing but love. I get it from above, and while everybody else getting up to no good, I'll be praising you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. I'll be serving you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. I'ma praise like to Christ and he's on my side, yeah. I don't want the pride, I want peace and life thereof. You who find it, I gotta take the narrow gate, and that's why I'll be praising.
Guys, ataki nikule chakula yake. Si hata nyimona. Look at the face.
Nilikuwa nataka kukuumisha. I was doing the honors. I was doing
you, I'll be serving you, you, I'ma praise like yeah, I'ma serve like yeah. Soon as I stop worrying on my story and I let go, and I let go. That's when things start happening, and I stop looking at
Good morning, you all. How you doing? Anyway, at the gym, today's on Wednesday. I wanna lock in for today. I'm back on the gym, and nowadays consistency is my middle name. Like in all areas of my life, consistency and discipline, that's something I'm still cultivating, and I'm so proud of myself. Like I'm doing amazing. So sai ni 9, nimechoka. Jana nililala late, and then leo nikasema I'm not gonna wake up early because like I was exhausted. Jana I went to hit the pool, and then afterwards like I bought my plants. Si mnakumbuka juzi nikicomplain flowers zenye like niliplant kuku zetu like zilikula. So I bought other ones, 6 new plants. Naongoja kubuy vases. Is it a vase ama a vase? Vases no nizi plant nani. Anyway, yeah, so after the gym today I don't have a lot to do. After the gym I'm gonna hang out with my friend. We are going to play basketball, and then after basketball hangout blah blah blah, ndo sasa nirudi. Today niko na a client nafaa kwenda kumpima nguo, so nitaenda kumpima jioni. That's basically my day. And yeah, life is getting back to be okay, and this vlog is just like me showing you guys different ways, like me bringing you on my journey of pouring into myself and becoming a better, not becoming, there is a already better version of me there, tapping into that, you know, and hope so like these things can inspire you to work on yourselves and pour into yourselves, because like you deserve the world, babes. And if you don't give it to yourself, like who's gonna give it to yourself? Don't wait on someone to come and pour these things into yourself. Unaona? Yeah, so just like tiny stuffs on how I love myself. And number 1 pia ni how venye like I'm trying to vlog at least kidogo ndo like your habit irudi, because like I love creating content, and for a while I lost myself like in not pouring into myself. I wasn't even creating. When I create content, I film, I edit, which takes a lot. I edit and then I post. I see the results, like I just feel so good, and that's something in pia like I'm tapping into. So yeah, bye.
Let go, 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 let go. Oh, why can't you let go of the pressure of living up to their standards? For they were not there when the Father formed you in his hands, cause he has a plan. He has your life in his hands. Just because you haven't seen it doesn't mean it's not there. Cause I know you tried it on your own, but you can't walk alone. You kept it all inside. It's time to let it go. So let go, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. I made a friend and she was shy.